Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah and I love to share cleaning motivation videos. I usually or typically post one day a week. Today's video is going to be a refrigerator clean out video. I realize that I've done these before in the past, but these videos really help hold me accountable to keeping my refrigerator clean. It's the one area in my house that I just struggle with. But so it's not like a super long video today, but wanted to at least give you a little bit of cleaning motivation. So go ahead and grab your cleaning supplies and clean along with me, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just remove everything from the refrigerator and get rid of anything that is expired or old. I have like one of those big black trash bags here, and you will notice that it fills up pretty quickly, and it was extremely heavy to lift. I had to take it outside to my garbage can, and it was awful. So I'm just gonna take everything out, and then I'm gonna give everything a good wipe down, and then we should be able to organize everything and put it back in. Where the problems with the trash bag started. I couldn't even get it out of the trash can because it was so jam-packed full of stuff. So anyways, it took me a few minutes, but I finally did get it out of the trash can. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh. Here I'm just showing an overview of how actually disgusting the refrigerator is. I was really grossed out by this. I had no idea that stuff was stuck in here and just, yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna go in and clean all of these shelves and the drawers and then put them back in. But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, here I am just cleaning out the drawers with some hot water and soap, or, you know, Dawn dish soap. The water was extremely hot, so I kept burning my hands. Honestly, kind of this whole like project was a disaster. Like things kept falling, or I kept hurting my hands on stuff. So I was very glad when this was over with. But I'm a big fan of Lazy Susans. They kind of take up a little bit of space, but they're great for like stuff like this. Like I was able to put my flowers in there so that when I need them, I can just spin it around and get the one that I want. I'm a huge fan of Lazy Susans, especially for organization. I think that they're a great item to organize your stuff, and also makes it easy to see what you actually have. Guys use a water filter or anything, or if you have like a fridge that already has a water filter in it, but I don't have a fridge like that. So my best friend gave me this Pure, I think it's called Pure, I don't know, it's like a water filter thing, but I love this thing. I was able to get replacement filters on Amazon, I believe, and they were very inexpensive. But if you don't have a fridge that has a filter in it, like on the door, I would suggest getting one of these Pure ones, or the Brita, which I also have. We drink a lot of water in this house, so I always have to fill these two things up. But I will have the Pure one and the Brita linked below. You guys, we are at the end of today's video. I apologize that it ended kind of abruptly, but I was over this project. Even though it didn't take me that long, I was just over it at this point. So I hope this gave you some motivation to maybe get your own fridge cleaned out, or maybe do a little bit of cleaning around your own house. Don't forget, before you leave, to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.